Hey everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to work on our pronunciation, specifically on the ending ed. Where can we find this? We see this in the past simple, like for example, last year I traveled through Asia for my gap year. In the past participle, the kingdom was attacked by their arch enemy. And in some adjectives, like in the case of, when I was a child, I used to be interested in dinosaurs. Frustratingly, in English, there aren't many pronunciation rules we can follow. But luckily for us, here we have 3 strict rules which always apply to the ending ed. Let's look at our first pronunciation rule. In this rule, we are substituting the ending ed for the T sound. That is T for tiny, T for tiger, T for Tony, T for trouble. Okay? This applies to all words which end in a K, P, S, or an S sound. Okay? So let's look at the first example. Attack. The pronunciation of the ED would be a T. That's attacked. Attacked. Not attacked. Attacked. With stop, similarly, stopped. Not stopped. Stopped. Pass, ended in an S or an S sound. Passed. Wash, washed. Watch, watched. Fix, fixed. The sound is a subtle T. In our second rule, we are substituting the ending ed for id. This is the most similar to how it is written. And this only applies to words ending in a D for Denmark or T for tiger. Let's look at the examples. We have wait, which ends in a T, waited, and decide, which ends in a D, decided. Okay, as I said, these are the most similar to how this is written. Our third and final rule applies to the rest of the endings of the words. And in this rule, we are substituting the ed for a D, for a D sound. So basically, we just remove the E. Like in our first example, play. With the ed, it would be played. Not played, played. Move, moved. Listen, listened. And this last one, people can struggle with. From change, it's changed. That's a triple consonant. Njed, changed. And guys, they are our 3 rules for the ed pronunciation. Finally, a few tips to help you practice. Okay, when we are practicing these types of pronunciation rules, they make us feel silly. Don't be afraid. Look at yourself in the mirror and repeatedly say the same sound. Stop. Changed. Njed. Feel silly. Look at yourself in the mirror and make the mistakes. Okay, if you have the opportunity to practice and make mistakes. And lastly, be patient. It's not an overnight improvement.